everyone, this is Aisha of Event Decor and Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be showing you some great ideas that you can do for your kids or your grandkids. All right, so always remember that kids love Valentine's Day too. A lot of times we think about our husbands, our wives, our boyfriends, our girlfriends, but we never think about our kids. So I'm just going to be showing you some things that I'm going to be making for my children. I'm going to be making some baskets, as well as I'm going to be making them a cup. All right, so first of all, let me show you the baskets that I have purchased. All right, I purchased this basket, and all these items came from the Dollar Tree except the cup that came from Walmart, and it was $1, and of course the vinyl. All right, so this basket here was $1. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and this is going to be for my oldest daughter basket. I'm making her a basket, and I'm just putting a few items in here just to show you the different ways that you can make and decorate a basket. All right, you can also do it any way that you like, but these are just some ideas of what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to be linking some other Cricut projects that I've made before. That's how I started my Lavalier Designs by Aisha business, by making Cricut projects. All right, and I'm going to show you some baskets that I've made also. So you just click in the card section, I think it'll be over here, in the card section, as well as in the description box, so you can see the other videos. All right, so I'm just going to be adding some little candies that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And also I bought these cute little pens for my daughter. I had purchased some from the Dollar Tree, and I love pens. Pens are my favorite. So she wanted some, so I'm just going to be adding this into her basket, as well as a candle. All right, so let me show you some items, some baskets that I got for my twins. All right, and these are the baskets I got for my twins, and they came from the Dollar Tree also, and they was 2 in a basket. So pretty much you got 2 for $1. So that was like 50 cents a piece. So I thought that was an excellent buy. All right, and as you see right here, they have the hearts on them. And I just stuffed some paper that I had. I couldn't find the other kind of paper, so I just stuffed them with this kind of paper, like I said, just to give you an idea on how to decorate a basket. All right, so I have also made them some cups. All right, and these are the cups that I made them. And as you see, I put the vinyl on these cups. All right, and one of my daughters wanted purple and the little bluish green color. All right, and all I did was just cut these hearts out. I did the hearts in Design Space of the Cricut, which I'm going to show you. All right, and just made these cups. These cups came from Walmart. Yeah, they're 22-ounce stainless steel water bottles, as you see right here, and they were only $1. And this is what I got from my other daughter, and she wanted purple and like that color there with the glitter. All right, and I've been had these cups for a couple of years, so I just decided to go ahead and use them. All right, so let me show you what I'm going to be stuffing the baskets with. All right, so this is the candle that I'm going to be putting in my oldest daughter's basket, and it says Cactus Blossom, and it's White Barn scented candle made with essential oils, and it smells really, really good. All right, so I have my basket here with the little tissue paper in here. Remember, always raise it up, put more tissue paper in here so that your items can sit up out of the basket. All right, but again, this is just to show you how to add things into your basket. So I'm going to add this candle. I'm just going to kind of add it right in that area, like so that when she gets it, she can see it. All right, and I'm going to add her pens. These again are the fashion pens from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to kind of put it here on the side. All right, and now I'm going to add her Valentine's Day fruit of the, what is this? This right here. All right, this candy. I'm going to kind of find a way to do it so that we can let me face it. Let it face me. All right, and I always just take it out, put it back in, do what you need to do in order to make sure that it's to your liking, okay? So I did have to change it around a little bit. All right. So everything fits just like I like it. All right. And this is the way it turned out. All right. And this is just something to give her for Valentine's Day, just to present to her. All right, remember Valentine's Day do not have to be anything extremely expensive, especially with your children. You know, just something just to show that you care, that you love them. All right, so this will be for my one of my daughters. All right, now this is the basket that I got for one of my twins, and all I'm gonna do is add some candy in hers. I'm just gonna put the candy here like this. I also got her some lollipops, and I'm gonna put it, put it in this area. And her water bottle. I'm just gonna kind of take it around, see how I like it. All right. Okay. Because you want to make sure that they can see everything that's in the basket. It will be great. All right. All right. So this is how this looks in this basket. Just fix it to your liking. All right. And you can also put some of that, I think it's called cellophane, that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree, you know, like the little plastic. That plastic covering that you put baskets in, but I'm not going to do that. This is just something very simple that I'm going to do to give to them. All right, and the other basket looks just like this. And in this basket, I'm going to be adding some sour candy, which is Warheads. I'm going to be adding some lollipops, and I'm going to be adding her cup. All right, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do this. And again, this is shaped like a heart. All right, so I'm just going to kind of take it around here a little bit, because you want it to, well, I want it to sit up like the heart is, the heart shape here on the candy, okay? Just kind of take it and place it. And her water bottle is the one that look like this one with the purple hearts and the glitter hearts. All right. Just always turn around just to make sure it's to your liking. All right, so I think that's pretty good. All right, because like I said, it's just something just simple to just give to them. All right, so let me show it to you again. That's the first basket. All right, that's my other twins basket. All right, and this is my oldest baby's basket. All right, everyone, so now I'm about to show you how I use my Cricut machine to make my girls' cups. Let me show you let me show you my Cricut first. And this Cricut here I've been had for years. My husband bought me this, probably about, I would say I've been had my Cricut now probably about 6 years. And I'm going to get more into detail about that and let you all know how I started my first business. But right now, this video is just strictly for Valentine's Day baskets and Valentine's Day gifts that I'm going to be making for my kids. All right. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing. I have already cut out these beautiful pink hearts. All right. And I'm going to just be adding them to this water bottle. All right, I'm going to take my purple vinyl right here, and all I'm going to do is just take it and place my vinyl right. I'm trying to work it because it's a long mat. All right, so now that I have my vinyl on my mat, I'm just going to go ahead and press continue. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and print out my hearts. And all it's doing is just cutting the hearts into the vinyl. Alright, so it's done and I'm gonna unload it. Alright, I'm gonna take it off the mat and just let you see how it looks. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, I am going to be putting my hearts that I made right here onto my plastic water bottle that I got from Walmart. And remember I said that, you know, the back end, this is the just regular vinyl. So what I'm going to do, I noticed the hearts just automatically kind of come off. So I may not have to use my transfer tape, and it is sticky. See, so I'm just going to try to see if it sticks. All right, so let's see. I'm just going to place them in different areas here on this bottle. All right, let's see. I'm just going to start right here. Oh, yeah. So see? It sticks very well, so I didn't even have to use my transfer tape. I just took it off with my finger. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take the rest of them off here, and I'm just going to add it to the water bottle. And all I'm going to do is just place it around in different spots, different places. Like I may just put this one. I'll probably put it right here. Okay. Right there. And I just go around in different sections and just put these beautiful hearts. All right, I think I'm going to add her name to it also. Not completely sure yet if she wants that. All right, so this is the other water bottle that I'm going to be using for my other twin. And all I've done was went on here and made the hearts into this vinyl right here. And this vinyl is kind of like a turquoise kind of greenish color. This is color she says she wanted. So this is pretty much easy to you know, to take the extra vinyl off that I don't need. And really I don't have to use transfer tape, because all I'm going to do is just remove it. You see how easy it's coming off? All right. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it, since it's sticky, I'm just going to take my finger and just pull it like this and just put it directly to my water bottle. All right, so these are water bottles for them for Valentine's Day. And I'm just going to take it and just place it like right in the area. Okay, and I'm just going to take it and place it just like I did the other cup for my other twin, in different locations on here on the bottle. All right. Okay. I'm trying to get it right. All right, and I think I'm just going to place this one here. So just wherever you feel, you know, you want to put your decal or vinyl or whatever it is, just put it in the different areas, and I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. All right, everyone, so I hope that you all have enjoyed my Valentine's Day gift baskets that I'm going to be giving to my girls. I really hope this gave you some ideas so that you can make baskets for your children, or maybe your grandchildren, your nieces, even your nephews. You know, boys like gift baskets also, you know, Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day are for men, women, boys, and girls. All right, just make sure you put, I'm the kind that I make sure I like to put things in there that they like and that they will use. All right, even when I'm purchasing things for like coworkers and family members and friends, you always give them things that they know, that you know that they can use, or something they may have been talking about that you overheard them talking about, and you might want to just bless them with something. It could be gift cards or anything. All right, so I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video.